Good day, YouTube, or good morning it is for me at the moment. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Z James, your host, and this is Z32 Workshop. It's just me and the crickets in the morning, so I got one over there that I'd love to kill, and it won't die. I can't find it. It's bugging me. Anyway, that's a whole different side channel. We are going to talk about my parts car, or my 1993 Nissan 300ZX. On the last episode, which wasn't much of more of me just moving the car into position here and figuring out what's going on. I am going to do more of the same. I got it wheeled into the proper location where I want, in the garage where I've got enough room that once I slice this front end off, I can still get a car in at some point. But I'm going to jack it on up now, get the rear tires back on off, and then start working on the rear end and making videos for you guys on the rear end, taking off the rear bumper, the rear wiring, the rear suspension components, and then the rear subframe. Then I think gas tank will be the last thing that comes off the car, because I think that's the one that's the worst. It's buried. So that's what today's episode's all about, is me just getting stuff squared away. It's more of a vlog post more than how-tos at this point, because I'm still situating. So it'll be hyperlapse most of the videos, so hopefully it should be short for you guys today. So once again, I'm trying to keep these videos somewhat shortish, trying to stay away from the 20-minute long ones. But this one should be just fine, since it's just me situating in the garage this morning, getting things squared away. As I do have some other stuff to attend to in the garage, like an oil change on my wife's vehicle, which won't happen until I can get some of this stuff taken care of, and just some more cleaning up in general areas. So let's get to it. Let's get you on a hyperlapse and me get doing stuff, and maybe I'll find that cricket and get rid of it, because it's only one of them and it's being very annoying. As you can tell, temperatures dropped around here. I used to wear shorts, and now I'm into long sleeves and pants. It's gotten cold. So, all right, let's get you on hyperlapse and let's get going. Here we go. Woo! That's going to do it for today's episode, folks. As you can see, I added one little tidbit there, not taking the rear brakes off. Well, rear rotor off. Kind of seized up, had to hit him with a hammer, not surprising. This driver's side was a little rougher than I thought. I didn't want to come out. The passenger side came out pretty easily. That's it. That's me working in the garage, getting this thing prepped for tomorrow's realistically episode, which is going to end up being the rear bumper, I think, is going to be the first thing on the hit list. Once that happens, it's going to be rear suspension, and then after that, but tomorrow is going to be the rear bumper, maybe getting some more of that wiring out of the way out of the trunk, just getting up and out. Like I said, we're on the downhill road, folks. You know, the front third's gone, stripped to the engine, middle third, the interior's gone, so we just got the back third left, and it's already been worked on somewhat. Now that I've got room to actually work on the backside of the car. So, like I said, that's going to be it for today's episode. If you guys have any questions, ask me. I doubt you will on this. This is more of a vlog post than it is actually me doing stuff, but it is me doing work every day in the garage to get the car ready to do other things. You know, there's prep work, just like you do anything. And this is what I would consider prep work. As you can see, I had to jack it up a couple of times. This thing is so light on the front end that even with the back end jacked up higher, there's enough weight in the back end where this front end doesn't take a lot of pressure pushing up to get it to be tippy. Like, you know, the seesaw. It's the reason why I won't be underneath the car very much. You know, I won't put my head underneath it. It's a little too light at this point. But the more weight I take off, the more I take weight off the backside, the more stable it will get on the stands, because there isn't that counterbalance weight to do it. And if need be, I can just throw tires or something in the middle of the car to weight it back down. I may do that yet anyway, just as a safety factor to make sure things don't settle around. So, like I said, that's going to do today's episode, folks. I'm Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and I hope to see you tomorrow morning, like every day in the morning, or in the comments, working on your cars, doing stuff. So take care, and I'll see you later.